How to do cascading sections in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, let's first design cascading. So according to a quick search, cascading refers to how design settings apply across different screen breakpoints, in this case desktop, tablet, and mobile. Settings on larger breakpoints, which is the desktop, automatically applies to small ones, but changes on smaller breakpoints don't affect large ones. This means that you can define a basic design on desktop and then make adjustments for tablet and views. So in order to cascade things, like for example, you can actually edit out any part of the site that you want onto our actual desktop. And when you switch right here into smaller breakpoints, like for in this case is the mobile, you can head over and then change up some positions, how big some things are. You can click on any one of them and then just resize them according to your liking, change their actual position. Like for example, for this, let's change it right around here. And even if I change it just like this into the mobile, it will not affect what it looked like into our desktop. As you can see, it still looks just like we did earlier, but it looks different into the mobile. So that's what cascading is. So that's how you do cascading sections in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.